Michael is in the garage filming his progress of making a door for me so that I don't have to do this ridiculous. I'm trying to now latch it. Having a door here someday. Oh my gosh. You see, that's why I need a door.
So it appears to be 28 inches. It should be 6 feet tall. I'm going to make it 5 feet and 9 inches tall, and I'm going to make it 25 inches across, so just over 2 feet wide. We're going to get started cutting in the boards. So the first thing I want to do is cut off the corner so that I have 45-degree angles. .25 inches, beveled edges. Next, we are going to measure out 2 boards at 5 feet 9 inches. Put this right about there, right about here. Last piece. 2 cuts and we're done. Now you can see how this will all fit together. These pieces will slide in here. I'll screw those together, and then we'll cut in some diagonal to square it and make sure it all works. Next, I'm going to use these little pieces here, and I'll cut in some diagonal bracing. There you go. Ta-da! Alrighty, here we go. Next, we're going to use 1x trim to secure the welded wire onto the door frame. I have the trim cut. Now I'm going to attempt to screw it in right here, and then we'll see how this works. We'll see if this works the way I think it should. I sandwiched a welding wire between 2 boards, between the 2x2 and the 1x2 trim. I cut in the center brace to make sure the middle of the gate doesn't collapse when I put tension across the welded wire. Wow, yeah, that worked remarkably well. Holy cow. Okay. Well, who knew? I mean, I was guessing. Don't tell Phoenix Jira I didn't have a plan all along. That will make her most upset. Last piece to assemble. And then I have functionally built a door. What a project. This has actually been a lot of fun, even amidst a few goofy setbacks. I enjoyed myself immensely. Just don't tell Phoenix Jira that. She'll have another project for me next week if you do.
All right, there's Michael, trapped.
I'm in chicken jail.
So this is the door that Michael has made for our new extension to the chicken world. Yeah, that looks good.
I've been calling it the chicken run.
It
You call it
is
whatever you want.
chicken run, chicken world, chicken.
It's all framed in. I put a
Nice.
brace in the middle because it was wanting to flex in the middle. Oddly enough, I did not staple the welded wire to any of the
Oh, okay.
middle pieces. It's
Okay.
only stapled to the outside.
Oh, all right. All right. I'm pretty excited. Look at that. It's going to be great. Because that thing, this hardware cloth door that I have created, yeah, I'm getting pretty tired of it.
We are going to attempt to hang this door in a temporary fashion on the chicken run. Yeah, I think that works. Now we just tighten them up and that should hinge. We got the door sort of installed. Swing it up and then bring this over here, and there it is. Now it's latched. Again, it's not pretty. I mean, the door's pretty. Let's be real. That's a fabulous door. The door mounting system probably leaves a bit to be desired, but it'll work until the hinges arrive.
This is the temporary latch. It doesn't keep it like snugly shut. It just sort of hangs there. So what I've been doing is sort of putting this there, like that's going to keep something out. But as soon as we get another piece ordered, we will finish this up and then it'll be snugger. And I'll think of a better latch system. I was putting together the video of when Michael made this door for me. And, you know, we had those zip ties as hinges, and then we got these real hinges. I had a really funky way of locking the door, and I still have a funky way of locking the door. It's better than the zip ties, and it works well enough. That's probably why I haven't replaced it. But trying to figure out a way to have a locking mechanism on the wooden door, no problem. But on the T-post, I haven't quite figured that out yet.